Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the Pashto letter Jim. We'll practice how to write it, see which letters it can be joined with, and learn some example words that start with Jim. In our last video, we covered the letter Se. So if you haven't watched that yet, be sure to check it out. And if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe so you can follow along with every new videos. Let's begin. The letter Jim is from a new category, or we can say this category is starting now. Jim, Che, He, He, Tse, Ze. Until this part, all the letters the same. Yeah. Look, the letter Jim, how the Ja sound, Ja. When it comes at the beginning, is coming like this one. At the middle part is this one, final joint is this one, final joint is this one. At the beginning or in the first video we mentioned, if you didn't watch that video, please watch this one. It will be clear for you more. Gene is from the second category that is coming at the beginning and middle. When it comes at the beginning and middle, this part is removing from it. Like the style is changing. The first category that was, just coming at the beginning and end, the style was not changing, like Alep. But this one, style is changing. At the beginning is coming like this one, in middle part is this one, final joint is this one, and joint is this one. Hope let's come to having a words. Jim like at the beginning, Jaru. Jaru. Jaru means broom. Yeah. Jalal, Jaru, Kavi. Jalal, Jaru, Kavi. It means Jalal is sweeping. Jalal, name of person, Jaru, broom. Kavi, like do. It means Jalal, Jaru, Kavi. Jalal is cleaning or brooming some things or sweeping. Jalal is sweeping. Jalal kur jaru kavi. Jalal kur jaru kavi. It means Jalal is sweeping the house. Jalal again is name. Kur house. Jaru kavi sweeping. Jalal kur jaru kavi. Jalal is sweeping the house. زه هره ورځ خپل اتاق جارو کوم. زه هره ورځ خپل اتاق جارو کوم. I sweep my room every day. زه هره ورځ every day خپل اتاق my room جارو کوم sweep. زه هره ورځ خپل اتاق جارو کوم. I sweep my room every day. زه هره ورځ خپل اتاق جارو کوم. I sweep my room every day. Jang. Jang. Jang means fight. Jang, fight. خب سراج له جمال سره جنګ کوي. سراج له جمال سره جنګ کوي. Siraj is fighting with Jamal. Siraj's private name La with Jamal Sara. La and Sara, this one both of the meaning have with. Like we say, this one is post position that is coming in two parts at the begin, middle, at the end of some words. Then like giving a meaning, like for example, with is making from La and Sarah. Jang poet kavi do. Siraj la Jamal Sarah Jang kavi. Siraj is fighting with Jamal. Moon Jang Nagaru Sulagaru. Moon Jang Nagaru Sulagaru. We don't want war, we want peace. Moon Jang Nagaru Sulagaru. We don't want war, we want peace. Moon we Jang war. Nagaru don't want. If we say Garu want, Nagaru change to negative. Just the na change the sentence to negative. Nagaru don't want. Sula peace. Garu want. Moon Jang Nagaru Sulagaru. We don't want war, we want peace. د جنګ په مهال هر څه ویجاړ شول. د جنګ په مهال هر څه ویجاړ شول. During the war, everything was destroyed. د جنګ په مهال during the war هر څه everything ویجاړ شول destroyed. د جنګ په مهال هر څه Vijayashwal. During the war, everything was destroyed. Jodaval. Jodaval. Jodaval means to make. Jodaval, to make. Doi Nawaikur Judavi. Doi Nawaikur Judavi. It means they are building a new house. Doi Nawaikur Judavi. They are building a new house. Engineeran pul judevi. Engineeran pul judevi. It means engineers build a bridge. Engineer, one person. Engineeran is plural. Pul, bridge. Judevi, build. Engineeran pul judevi. Engineers build bridge. موږ باید یو ښه پلان جوړ کړو. موږ باید یو ښه پلان جوړ کړو. موږ باید یو ښه پلان جوړ کړو. It means we should make a good plan. موږ we باید should or must. یو ښه پلان a good plan. جوړ کړو make. Yeah. Now is the time to practice all this sentence with me. I will say and you can repeat after me. The only way to learn the language is practice and practice. Let's practice again. Jaru, jaru, brom. Jalal, jaru, kavi. Jalal, jaru, kavi. Jalal is sweeping. Jalal, kur, jaru, kavi. Jalal, kur, jaru, kavi. Jalal is sweeping the house. زه هره ورځ خپل اتاق جارو کوم. زه هره ورځ خپل اتاق جارو کوم. I sweep my room every day. جنگ جنگ fight. سراج له جمال سره جنگ کوي. سراج له جمال سره جنگ کوي. Siraj is fighting with Jamal. موږ جنگ نه غواړو سوله غواړو. موږ جنگ نه غواړو سوله غواړو. We don't want war. We want peace. د جنگ په مهال هر څه ویجاړ شول. د جنگ په مهال هر څه ویجاړ شول. During the war everything was destroyed. جوړول جوړول. جوړول means to make. دوی نوی کور جوړوي. دوی نوی کور جوړوي. They are building a new house. انجینران پل جوړوي. انجینران پل جوړوي. Engineers build a bridge. موږ باید یو ښه پلان جوړ کړو. موږ باید یو ښه پلان جوړ کړو. We should make a good plan. If you would like to learn Pashto Deri online, feel free to contact me. I've taught hundreds of students and delivered thousands of hours on different online platforms like Itacan Quickly. You can check out my students' review there to see what they say about learning with me. If you want a complete course, you can enroll on Udemy. The link is in the description. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future lessons. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll be happy to respond. Thank you for watching and look forward to seeing you in the next lesson.